if I want to make more money, I just got to get out and do it. I got to get out and work harder. I got to put more under contract. I got to talk to more people, but I get to write my own checks. Hey, real estate agents, ever wonder what it's really like being a real estate agent? Let's talk candid. So it can kind of suck if you are out there and you're hustling. You're like, oh my gosh, where am I going to find this next deal? How am I going to pay my bills? I'm a 1099 employee. What in the world am I going to do? And then bam, you get a deal. You get a buy and a sell and a big check comes in. You're like, oh my gosh, real estate is the best in the world. And you're just jacked out of your mind. Now, too often real estate agents ride this roller coaster up and then down and up and then down. And this can be very, very challenging if we're going to be real estate agents like that. So I want to give you a couple pieces of advice. If we're all going to be in real estate, we all just should ride a flat road, okay? So I want you to quit looking at your bank account. Start looking at how many transactions you have to do per month. Set a goal, and then go out and hit those transactions. When I first started my first year, 10 under contracts is what I had to have at all times. And believe me, my wife did not even want me to come home if I didn't have those 10 under contracts. My transaction coordinator hated my guts unless I had 10 under contracts. And you have to build a stability like that to where you don't have to worry, you don't have to stress, you don't have to cry over where am I going to get my next deal? Because guess what? When they close, you start at zero again. That is sales. But here's some of the perks. You get crazy flexibility. Right now, closing over 30 million a year, I work about an hour and a half a day. And I absolutely love the flexibility that I can go do whatever I want, whenever I want. And I can be with my family and I can spend time. That's a huge perk to being a real estate agent. Now, the other huge perk is income. We've talked about it fluctuating, but guess what? I write my own checks. Not the title company. Yep, check out that. So show some love for writing your own checks. How do I make the hearts? There we go. Look at this. I write my own checks. So if I want to make more money, I just got to get out and do it. I got to get out and work harder. I got to put more under contract. I got to talk to more people, but I get to write my own checks. Guys, that's huge. There's not any other industry out there where you can write your own checks, determine your income. And then what's really cool is helping families. When you can go out and help families to get into that dream home and to trust you and know that you did a fabulous job on your real estate, guys, it's awesome. It is a really, really cool feeling, and to have them refer you to other people. So regardless of volatile markets that change left and right, one thing is certain. If you will do door-to-door real estate, you will crush it. And there will be no problem with an up-down market or a down market or an up market, and it doesn't matter. So just stay stable in what you do. And if you get good at getting in front of prospects, that is where you're gonna kill it. But it's important, you guys, as we talk about real estate agents, too often people get caught up in money. Too often people get caught up in their work. Some people don't get caught up enough in their work and don't work very often. That's why the average agent sells 3 homes a year. Guys, find a good work-life balance. Find time to take care of your spiritual side, put God first in your life, take time to put your family second, and take care of them. Love them, nourish them, raise them right, and make sure they know how much they are loved. And then next, get out there and work hard. Set aside the time to get out and get in front of clients. To hit that goal, remember, I'm not just looking for that $10,000 check. I'm looking to have so many under contract. And I tell people this all the time. A blind squirrel could get this done. You should be able to do 2 transactions a month, which is good money. You guys are covering $250,000 a year. If you're doing 2 transactions a month, a buy and a sell, that's finding one person. Guys, I'm asking you to find one person that you buy and sell. And if you're making $24,000 off that commission, you do that 12 months consecutively, and do the math on that. You are making $288,000, you guys, just doing one transaction, finding one person, helping them buy or sell every month. And it's not that hard. If you'll just put forth the effort, be self-motivated, track your results, get around someone that can train you and help you to achieve this, and then get out there and just work. So real estate, beautiful job. Wish I would have done it 10 years ago. I've actually been in the industry for 8 years, but I wish I had done it 10 years prior. I've been in door-to-door sales for 15 years. I wish I would have started in real estate, because in reality, it is one of the best fields out there. And despite all the challenges that come, there is so many rewards that are given as we're able to literally, like I said, write our own checks, be with our families, put God first in our lives, serve others, and win. Guys, that's a huge win. And we can make massive amounts of money while we do it. So If you need help writing your real estate story, guys, reach out to me. I'd love to chat with you. I'd love to show you what I'm doing with a bunch of people on my team all over the United States. We're covered 24 states right now. So get a hold of us. We'd love to get new states popped up on our team atmosphere, new people in our coaching program. I had someone reach out from Africa the other day, which was so cool to see. Guys, work hard, kill it, and I'd love to, once again, chat with you more and help you build your business. Have a great day.